Let's talk about Ema's AI SDR. I've been seeing this tool pop up everywhere lately. Their pitch: book 5 times more meetings without hiring more SDRs. Bold claim, right? Basically, it finds leads, writes emails, and runs outreach on autopilot. Think of it as your virtual sales development rep that never sleeps, never calls in sick, and doesn't ask for a raise. Every boss's dream, right? So who is this actually for? Well, if you're a founder bootstrapping your way to growth, a small team that's maxed out on bandwidth, or a sales organization that's tired of the constant hiring and training cycle for SDRs, this might be the tool for you. The whole value prop is scaling meetings without scaling payroll, without hiring more headcount. And honestly, in today's market, that's pretty compelling. Let me walk you through what this thing actually does. First up, targeted lead generation. It's not just pulling random contacts from a database. It's supposedly smart enough to find your ideal customer profile based on the data you feed it. Then there's personalized email. Now I put personalized in quotes. They claim it's not just a spam blast with a first name token. By them, the system learns over time to create actually personalized emails. And Ema promises strong email deliverability, which honestly is half the battle these days with all the spam filters and all the terrible cold email tools. They're throwing around some pretty aggressive numbers too, up to 80% lower cost per lead and 90% more monthly opportunities. I mean, if these numbers are real, that's game-changing stuff. But as always, take vendor claims with a grain of salt until you see it in your own data. Integrations-wise, it plays nice with the usual suspects: HubSpot, Salesforce, LinkedIn, Gmail, Slack, so it should slot right into whatever tech stack you're already running. No need to rip and replace everything just to get this working. Now here's where things get a little bit sketchy. Pricing. They don't actually list numbers anywhere on their site. If you want to know how much it costs, you have to book a demo. And I get it from a sales perspective. There has to be something curious for the user to book a sales call. But as a buyer, that's always a red flag in my book. It usually means the pricing is either really high, really complicated, or they want to qualify you before they even tell you what you're looking at. If you're shopping around in this space, and honestly you should be, everyone is adopting AI nowadays, there's a better alternative. Most AI SDR tools handle little bits and pieces of the process, but the alternative Agent Frank does everything from 0 to 100. It handles everything from email setup and warm-up to hyper-personalized outreach that actually books meetings. And here's what I really like about it. It's built by people who actually been in sales for years. It's not just an automation slapped with agent to please the investors. No, it's a real deal. The people who built it understand the pain points because they live with them. They're real salespeople. So yeah, Ema looks slick on the surface, has a nice website, solid marketing, but if you want a done-for-you SDR that actually delivers results instead of just looking pretty, Agent Frank is honestly the safer bet. The proof is in the pudding. The pricing is transparent, the results are there, and you don't have to take my word for it. You can book a demo for yourself or find out more information about Agent Frank in these videos. Peace.